Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple and quick hair treatment. This hair recipe I will be showing you will help to thicken hair. It will also help to grow your hair healthy. So keep watching. The first ingredient we have for this recipe is hibiscus. As you can see here, I have some dry hibiscus that I will be using to prepare the treatment. Hibiscus is important on our hair as it helps to thicken hair. It also helps to darken hair naturally. Also, it helps to treat scalp and hair issues like hair loss and alopecia. It also has many amazing benefits. If you use it, you will see the amazing benefits I'm talking about. The next ingredient we will be needing to add in our hair growth recipe is okra. So I'm just going to select some okra and I will proceed to wash them just to get rid of dirt. So just make sure to wash your okra thoroughly before using. Okra provides mucilage, and this mucilage is helpful on our hair as it helps to soften it. Also, it helps to detangle our hair and it makes your hair more manageable in case you struggle with hair dryness and your hair breaks a lot whenever you are detangling it. Then you need to choose something like okra. You can also use aloe vera or flax seeds. So just use anything that you have. So what I did, I just washed them and now I cut them into small pieces. And right now I'm just going to transfer all the ingredients to a pot. After I transfer the okra, now I'm going to add some hibiscus. And I'm going to just use a few hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus are rich in color, and if you add more, you will notice that your treatment will get more red. So just a few of the flowers are enough. So after adding the ingredients, now I'm adding some water. About 1 cup is okay. And again, it depends on the treatment, the ingredients you are using. If you use a lot of okra and hibiscus, then you will need to add more water as the okra produce mucilage when cooking. So whenever you notice that your treatment thickens, then you can go ahead and add some more water. So right now I'm just stirring and giving it some time to boil. Do not cook this. Just 5 to 10 minutes are enough for the okra and the hibiscus to release the nutrients. So after a few minutes, I went ahead and removed it from heat. And now I'm just going to be straining out using my piece of cloth. Just make sure to use something with very tiny holes to prevent the chunks from passing through, which can be difficult to remove on your hair and can cause a lot of tangles. So be careful whenever you are straining out this or any treatment. So as you can see, I'm squeezing it hard just to make sure that all the gel is out. And this is the leftover. I'm just going to throw it away. You can also just keep it in the refrigerator and use it for less than 5 days. So after straining out, I'm just going to be using this applicator bottle. It really applies nicely. Just make sure to invest in something like this whenever you are applying treatments like jelly like this, so that the application goes smoothly and there will be less wastage of the product. So guys, right now I will be applying the treatment on my hair. My hair is looking like this. It is freshly washed. There is no any product in it. So I will be using this treatment as a deep treatment. I did not apply any deep treatment as after I shampooed my hair. So my hair needs um it needs moisture, and that's why I'll be using this as a deep treatment. This treatment is really amazing, so it can be used like that as a deep treatment, or you can also decide to use it as a leave-in. Either way, but you can prefer either way to use, because it has the same benefits. And again, okra does not leave your hair feeling dry like flaxseed. So you can just decide to use it as a leave-in. Most of the time I use it like that. But for today, I'll be using it as a deep treatment. I will apply it all over my hair. And then after that, I will cover my hair with a plastic bag, leave it for about 1.5 hours, or whenever I feel like my hair is really has really absorbed it. So just use it. You choose whatever method you want, depending on your choice. So as you can see, I'm applying this treatment in sections. First, I unravel each twist at a time. I apply the treatment and then take time to finger detangle my hair. This method is really important, especially if you want to retain length. You need to learn how to finger detangle your hair. This has really helped my hair to grow in volume and length since the time I learned how to finger detangle. So this method is non-negotiable. So you too, if you want to increase volume and if you want to reduce the breakage, then you need to learn how to finger detangle your hair. So once I'm done with the one section, I like to twist it back and proceed to the next section. The reason why I like twisting my hair back is to avoid shrinkage and a lot of tangles. So once I'm done with the application, as I said earlier, I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic bag and leave it for about 1.5 hours. And after that, I will go ahead and rinse it out. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. I will see you in the next video. Bye.